Hello everyone, welcome to another origami tutorial. Today I will show you how to make a paper lion. This is an intermediate level model. It is not that hard to do, but it takes a little attention and precision in some parts. To do so, you only need one square of paper. You can do with any type and any size, but for a better result, I recommend at least 20 by 20 centimeters, 8 by 8 inches, and the same color on both sides. First of all, let's fold in half along both diagonals, like a letter X. Now turn the paper over and fold in half, horizontally and vertically. Turn it over again and close, pushing the corners to the center. Now keep in this position with the open side down and fold this diagonal edge to the middle, just like that. Repeat on the other side. Now undo both, lift the first layer, and using the last creases, let's bring both sides to the middle. That way. Bring this new flap up and reinforce the folds. And fold the same flap down. Turn it over and repeat the same step on the other side. Now close that part, keeping the other two layers open. Fold this flap up as we did before. Make a crease. And bring it down again. The other side as well. And down. Right, for the next step, pay attention. First, pull two flaps until the middle opens as a square, like that. Then bring the same flaps up and reverse the middle. Just watch and repeat. Just bring the creases down. More or less like this. Bring the flaps down again. Reinforce. Open the other 2 layers. Now fold this flap up to the limit until it stops. Like this. The other side as well. Now open the other layers. And fold up using the others as a reference. Right. Now, for the next step, let's fold the bottom corners up, bringing half of the bottom edge to the middle. Reinforce. Repeat on the other side. Turn it over. Do the same here. And also on the other 2 sides. With this done, open the top. Now fold this edge to the diagonal, making a crease as in this image. First the left side. Now the right side. This part okay. Now repeat the same on the other 3. Right. Turn it over. Undo the folds on one flap until this point. Turn it over again. Now bring this crease on the top and this other on the bottom to the right side, closing this part like that. Unfold this flap here and fold this diagonal edge to the middle line. Now flatten this point, given this shape, and repeat on the other. Turn the paper over again. Bring this part to the other side. And using the first 2 diagonal creases, let's bring the paper forward, like that. Now close this flap and also close the other part, but bringing the paper down, given this shape. With this done, lift this part and reverse the corner on the left side. The other side as well. And reinforce. To make the first details of the head, fold this tip to this point. Now undo, open the flap and reverse using the same creases. Now again, using the existing creases, bringing the paper in that way. Until it fits. Now bring the head up, creating a little inclination. For the details of the tail, first reverse this part, more or less like that. And reverse again, bringing the paper up. Now on the front legs, fold the corner until this point on the chest and fold down with a little difference. Repeat the same on the other. And close again. On the hind legs, fold at the same height as the others. Now reverse using the same creases. And reverse again, now backwards, bringing the paper in. Try to do the same on the other. Okay, and with this done, to make the lion's nose, we just need to push this corner on the face, reversing a little bit. Again, just watch and repeat. This step can vary. Just do something like that. Fold also the corners on the mane. The same on both sides. And now on the hind legs, let's do the same we did on the nose. Just fold the corner a little bit inside. More or less like this. And our Origami Lion is ready! If you liked this video, just click like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching, and until the next time!